Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3. And I'm just going to replicate a little bit of part 2 and how I put the numbers in there, or really part 1. But then to get them all, the numbers exactly in the spots as the previous ones. So remember we rotated this guy 22.5 degrees to get that top dead center. And then I hit P, put it in the middle of the page. And then I started moving it up. Now, how far did you move it up? Now, you could figure out a nudge, but you could also do this. Control D and make a duplicate and move this over out of the way. Then we've got this disc done, but I would take my circle, Control D, and nudge it up. Really and truly, I would ungroup my object, and I would make a duplicate of this because this one's completely done. And then I would nudge it over and back. I would take the number out. I would rotate this back to 22.5 degrees. And then I would make a copy of my circle, Control D, and move it up. I'd actually make a duplicate of my line, Control D, and move it up. And then you have that copy. So we can just delete this, and then when you're ready, Control D and move it up. So we got the 1/8. Let's do the 1/3. So we're going to take this line and it's move the rotation. I'm getting 22.5 degrees on that line. So just start a new line, which is easily done. Just take a 2 line. Because if I would have made the copy at first, it wouldn't have done that. Then Control D and make a duplicate. Move the rotation to the center. Rotate it 120 degrees. Rotate it again. You've got your copy up there, so you don't need anything. Control G and group it. Rotate it 60 degrees, your top dead center. Take that. I need to break it apart. And then we need to make this 1/3. So I can take that and just delete that and hit 3, enter, Control D so you have it next time, and then nudge it over. That way, all your numbers are going to be in the same spot. Control G to group it together, and I'll just kind of show you that if we put P, the numbers are on top of each other, as you can see. So the numbers are going to be exactly in the same spot. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.